Hey guys, Matt again here with Crypto Blick. Want to invite you on this amazing journey of getting you started in crypto. So a little bit about myself. Careful for the shaking of the camera here. But a little bit about myself. I have been in the space for a couple years now. I got interested in it through others, through researching online and hearing about what this thing was. And without going into super big detail, because there's plenty of creators out there building content, doing videos for you in terms of what cryptocurrency is. I advise you go out there, look at some amazing videos that are out there. I'm here to help you have a path to get started within crypto because I've done this myself. I've tested out different platforms, different exchanges, different apps, different wallets. I've advised other people that have more knowledge in this space than I do of, hey, what's the best wallet to go with? What are the best aspects? And I've done my own research. And so I was like, well, why don't I produce a platform where it makes it easier for you, an end user, to get started. Maybe you don't want to invest several thousand dollars into this kind of an industry, but you want to start with a couple hundred and you want to see where that may go. I mean, that's what I did. I just wanted to test out the market. I want to see, is this something I want to get into long term? Do I believe in the technology first and foremost? And then let's go from there. Let's see what happens. So just getting here, right, excuse me looking down in the thumbnail, but looking at my laptop here. So just looking at the website. I'm just going to go through the 4 different stages right now that I have for you to take a look at. The BRD wallet, that is the wallet that I prefer over any wallet right now. It's the most secure, the most safe. I've talked to others about the BRD wallet. I started out on someone like the Jack's Liberty wallet, and there's Coinbase wallet I have. As I'll scroll down here, I'll show you. I've got the Coinbase, the Exodus wallet, several different ones that you can do your own research on and see what you like. I prefer the BRD wallet. I can't show you my phone because I'm recording it from my phone, this little video. But the BRD wallet is what I would refer you to go into. So I'm just going to show you a step-by-step process. We're going to jump into, I'm going to go Apple because I would have that on my phone. It's going to take it to the iTunes App Store on your phone. And so anyways, you're going to see different aspects here of what it looks like on the phone. Of course, there's ratings. Let me actually take you to the actual Brd Wallet. All right, so we're going to hop on over to the app here. So I already downloaded it onto my phone. You're going to see Get Started. Boom. Click that. I'm just going to show you a little advertisement here. Next, some text. Next. You don't want to buy some coin right now. Just I'll browse first. So let's set up the pin. So I'm just going to do it super easy. I'm going to put it in again, pin set. Remember your pin because that's how you log in. Continue, write down your key, keep it secure, generate recovery key. All right, so you're going to have these 12 different words and it's going to be your recovery key for this particular wallet. So remember that, write them down, keep them safe because you are acting as your own bank. Remember that. So don't just write this down and then forget about it and throw the paper out or wherever you keep it, whether it's digital or not. People advise you not to keep it on your computer. Keep it in a place that's safe and secure because this is the only thing that will allow you to reopen up your wallet if for some reason your phone gets smashed or you lose your phone. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Or you get a new phone and you need to re-upload the BRD app. If you want to sync that wallet onto that new phone, you need your recovery key. So keep that in mind. Keep it safe. So you're going to have these 12 words. You're going to write them down. I'm going to skip this step as right now because I don't need to do that. But this is what it's going to look like. You're going to see Bitcoin, Ethereum, BRD token. For example, if you want to add more tokens, like say with the BAT token that you're going to get from browsing, just scroll on down, basic attention token, add it. There it is. All right, there we go. It says it's 13 cents right now on the market. And you'll see right here in activity, there'll be your transactions if you start trading with it or you just are uploading your tokens to this wallet. Let's go back here. Same thing with Bitcoin. You're going to see Bitcoin here. You're going to have your activity. You're going to have your send, who you're sending it to, the amount. You can choose the speed and you'll send it that way, or you can receive it by scanning the code. if someone wants to send you BTC or any other token that you may have in your wallet. So this is a quick overview of what your BRD wallet is going to look like. It's the one I recommend. I love the BRD wallet most of all. Coinbase has one, Jack's Liberty has one, Exodus has one. From studying and researching and talking to other people that have been in the space longer than I have, the BRD wallet is the best one at this time and the most secure. So I would recommend that. Oh, and by the way, you've got options down low here to buy and sell more crypto if you want through the app. Always keep in mind they're going to have their own fees. So make sure you understand what you're doing before you just willy-nilly go out there and start buying more Bitcoin. You can trade it. So if you just want to start trading your Bitcoin and say you want to transition it from Bitcoin to the BAT token or Ethereum, you can do it this way within your own app. There's other settings here as well. But yeah, that's the basic overview, guys, of the BRD wallet. I love the wallet. It allows me to hold on to my cryptocurrency, allows me to see what I have available. If I want to trade it or if I want to send it to someone else, pay them through cryptocurrency, is the best option I have found for crypto and my crypto needs. And I'll do another video, and if I find another app that comes up that is better after I talk to some people, I'll let you know. But for right now, the BRD, the Brd Wallet, is what I recommend to use, and I will continue to use going forward for the foreseeable future. So hop onto your iTunes account, download that BRD wallet, and let's get started on getting you into cryptocurrency. More videos to come, guys. If you have any questions, comment below, follow along, subscribe to my account, and I will be doing as many videos as possible when I feel the need to share more info with you going forward. Have an awesome day. Hang tight.